Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. So in today's video we will understand how to add received crisp call SMS in Airtable. So here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new SMS on my registered number with crisp call, then I want to add the SMS details in Airtable. So here to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I am going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pably Connect. So Pably Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be crisp call and my action application will be Airtable. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to add received crisp call SMS in Airtable. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new SMS on the registered number with my crisp call account, then I want to add the SMS details inside Airtable. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pably Connect, and this here is the landing page. So in order to reach here, you just have to type in pably.com/connect in your browser. Here you can see I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you're an existing user, you can simply sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pably. So here I will go to Pably Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as add received crisp call SMS in Airtable. On my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as crisp call to Airtable automation, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pably Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now as my objective is to add received crisp call SMS in Airtable. So to begin with this automation, I will go to my trigger window, and over here I am going to search for crisp call as my trigger application. Here it is. And the trigger event will be new SMS or MMS. So this trigger will start working whenever I am going to receive a new SMS. Now moving to my action window, as I want to add the SMS details inside Airtable. So over here I am going to search for Airtable as my action application, and the action event will be to create a new record. So here as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So proceeding ahead in this automation, firstly we have to build a connection between crisp call and Pably Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now in order to add a new connection, you have to mention the API key and the secret key. For this, I'm going to take you to my crisp call account. So this here is my crisp call account dashboard, and as per the instructions, I will go to settings and now I will go to developer. So here in developer, this here is the API key and the secret key. So I'm going to copy both of these keys and I'm going to paste it over here and click on save. So here I've mentioned the keys and I'm going to click on save. And you can see that crisp call and Pably Connect is successfully connected. So now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the response could be captured over here in Pably Connect. Now I'm going to send a SMS on the registered number with my crisp call account. Firstly, I'm going to show you the SMS as well. So this here is the SMS that I'm going to send. It goes as, hello, I'm demo user. I would like to know more about your digital marketing services, and I would appreciate if you can send a brochure to me on this given email ID, that is demouser@pablydudes.com. Hoping to hear from you soon. So this here is the SMS that I'm going to send. So over here in my crisp call account, you can see that this here is the SMS that I have received. That means this SMS details would have been captured inside Pably Connect as well. So I'm going to take you to Pably Connect, and yes, over here I've received a response, and this here is a positive response. So here you can see the to number, that is my number, and over here is the ID, and here is the from number, like from where I've received the SMS, and this here is the content of the SMS that was sent. So here you can see the entire content. So that means over here in Pably Connect, I have successfully received the SMS details of the SMS which I have received on my crisp call account. So the first objective of this automation is setup. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new SMS in my Crisp Call account, then automatically the SMS details will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the SMS details, now I want to add those SMS details in my Airtable account. So to do that, I'm going to click on Connect. So over here, I'm going to add a new connection and I've already logged into my Airtable account in one of the tabs. Make sure you also do the same. So here I'm going to click on Connect. And now over here, I'm going to add a base. So over here, I'm going to click on Grant Access as this is a secure access. So here you can see that the authorization was successful. So here Airtable and Pabbly Connect is connected. So now moving to the base name and the table name. So this here is the base that I've created by the name of Crisp Call SMS and the table name is Lead Details. So over here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to select my base name as Crisp Call SMS. Here it is. And it has automatically detected the table name. So now moving to these details. So here to mention the details in these fields, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from Crisp Call, so over here I'm going to map the from number. Now I'm going to map the query, that is the content of the SMS, and here it is, I've mapped it. Now moving to the ID part, so over here I'm going to map the ID. So this here is the ID. So as you can see that in these fields, I've mapped the details. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we mapped the information. So as I've mapped the details, here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. That means the SMS details would have been added inside my Airtable account. So here in my Airtable account, you can see that the SMS details are added. Here is the from number, this here is the query, and this over here is the ID. So that means now whenever I'm going to receive a new SMS on my registered number with Crisp Call, then automatically the details of that SMS will be added over here in this Airtable. So this automation was a successful one. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new SMS on my Crisp Call account, then automatically the details of that SMS will be added in my Airtable. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.